it moves with it.
It's like
Jello.
Jello.
I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my shaving cream back and forth. I whip my shaving cream back and forth. Hey guys, it's Taylor
and Vanessa,
and today we are doing a DIY.
So the DIY we're doing is a unicorn fluffy slime. So we got this inspiration because last week me and my friend went to Starbucks and got the unicorn frappuccino. And my friend is Kayla Davis from We Are the Davises, and you should go check out her YouTube channel if you haven't seen their YouTube channel. So Taylor, are you ready to get started?
I'm ready to get started.
So let's get on to the video.
So to start off, we're going to use 1 container of glue.
And if you have a big jug of glue, you only use 4 ounces. So let's pour it in.
Let's get it started.
Let's get it. Okay, my favorite thing is pouring glue in.
Cause I know. Watch. Glue.
This is like the funnest part.
It's, what is it called? It's
almost
aesthetically pleasing.
Okay. That totally makes sense, Taylor. Make sure you get all your glue because you need that glue.
Ooh. Look.
Get every ounce.
Well, if there is some left in there, it does not matter.
It does not matter. It's kind of good.
Okay, I think I got most weight. It's got 2 veins. Give it a second.
2 veins?
Yeah, look at it. It's going twice. It's like back and forth.
I can't decide which one.
Okay, I think mine's gone.
Now you're going to be using a half a cup of water. Grab that. Tell me when to stop, Taylor.
Okay. And you would like it warm water too. Stop.
Yeah. Make sure it's
well, a little
warm.
bit more. Okay. That reminds me.
I know, that's weird. Let me pour mine in. I'm gonna
pour a little bit more. No. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, now you want to mix that in until it's like
gluey water.
Yeah, liquidy glue.
Mixy. I like mixing stuff in. It's very fun. Keep on mixing, keep on mixing, keep on mixing.
It makes weird sounds. Listen.
Well, yours is in a glass. Mine's plastic. It smells like glue.
Well, water has no smell, so of course it's gonna smell like glue.
But it smells sticky.
How can it smell sticky? See, look at this.
It's not close to slime, but it shouldn't be. If it's close to slime, then you did something wrong.
Unless if they magically made slime with only water and glue.
I don't think you can do that. Because both is a liquid form and slime is a solid. How to become a liquid to a solid. So now we are going to be adding our color. So what color are you doing first, Taylor?
Ooh, I think I'm gonna start out with the purple. What are you gonna start out with?
With the blue.
Let me get that out for you.
Can you knock it out?
Just give me a second.
Thank you.
Okay.
So now
I kind of want to get it to the color of the cap.
Yeah. I'm gonna add 3 drops.
Yeah, me too. So let's try to match the cap. 1,
Come on. 1,
3.
2, 3. I love mixing in color with slime.
It kind of makes it tie-dye when you first mix it. Okay, Vanessa, you do you. And by the way, this color will not be your final color because when you add shaving cream, it makes it lighter. So.
Yeah. But once you add shaving cream, if you don't like the color, you can add more coloring then. But yeah. So don't be worried if it's too dark and you don't like it, because you can always add shaving cream.
Okay, so now let's go to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Okay.
Okay, kind of just leave your spoon.
Mine won't stand up.
Then hold on to yours. I'll get it for you.
There we go. I made a bridge. Alright, so open it.
I got it.
Let's show everyone. Cornstarch.
Whoa, don't tip it. I need to see what I'm doing. Lower it down. I need to see. I have to see it.
There's one Mississippi. Well, that's a lot. 2 Mississippi.
Do you need help with yours?
No, I'm fine. I got mine.
Okay.
Gonna grab some. 1 Mississippi. That one didn't want to go in. Look at that. 2 Mississippi. Alright, so you only need 2.
And by the way, you will have chunks in there, but it will get mixed up once you use the shaving cream.
Yeah.
So right now you just want the chunks to get mixed up in there, but the chunks are gonna stay like that. So
Then, okay, so now we're using shaving cream. So we're gonna take the shaving cream.
we have 2. Okay, I didn't know that.
So you're gonna take the shaving cream and we're gonna you basically how fluffy you want it, how much shaving cream you use with it. So we're just gonna put some shaving cream. Make sure you mix yours in. Mix it until you can't hear liquid, Taylor.
Mix what?
Mix it until you don't hear liquid.
Oh, I was like, this one doesn't really work.
Here. I'm gonna stop.
I think that's good.
I'm gonna add more because he has
It moves with it.
It's like gel.
I whip my shaving cream back and forth.
I whip my shaving cream back and forth.
But yeah, I think I'm gonna add more color. I think I'm gonna add 2 more drops. I'm gonna add it by 2.
2.
Because you can always add more. You can't take any out. It gets so messy. I accidentally got dye on my hands and it got pretty bad.
Yeah, we have stains all over our hands.
But what's a DIY without a mess?
Yeah. So make sure you're doing this somewhere where it doesn't really matter if you make a mess.
So we finally like our colors. And I think we're gonna move on to the half a cup of soap.
So we use, wait, which one do we use, Taylor?
That one.
Okay. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna use spoon. My spoon almost fell. Okay, I'm gonna do this one-handed. Tell me.
Ouch!
Tell me when I get to 1/2. This smells really good.
It does.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't smelled it yet. Get into that. This smells like the ocean.
Yeah.
It adds a lot of bubbles to it.
Yeah, it does. So
now the lotion's kind of different. You don't really measure it out.
Use your hand right here.
So you kind of get a quarter of it.
Show them once you're done.
Yeah.
See.
Like that. I think that was a little bit too much.
This is what mine looks like. Okay, ready? Whoa, that's so fun.
Mine kind of unraveled and went.
At least it has the stretchiness of.
I think it's not stretchy.
Not really.
Okay. So the next thing we're gonna use is the borax. So what do you use is 1 or 2, just those spoons.
Yeah. So
make sure you be careful because this is clothing cleaner, and so just do not eat your slime. It is not edible, and do not put it in your eyes.
Now, after once it gets in a big blob, you can actually start playing with it and start making it unsticky.
Whoa, okay, look at this. It's really working.
Yeah, it's really working. Okay, I'm gonna go in.
You're gonna go in? That was cute.
I'm gonna go in.
I'm trying to get all my edges first.
Once you start playing with it, it'll come unsticky.
I'm gonna add a few more. Look, it just that's a little bit right there.
I think I need more. Yours is not more sticky.
But you can't. Okay. This is a very sticky situation. Okay, I think we're good with this slime, don't you think, Vanessa?
Yep.
So I think we should move on to the pink and green one.
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Yeah, let's go. So we finally made our colors. So we have kind of greenish yellow, blue, pink, and purple. So the strategy is we're going to mix 2 colors at a time. So I'll mix my pink and purple. She makes hers blue and lime green. And so once we swirl those 2 colors, then we swirl the colors together, and we're hoping it looks like a unicorn horn. So let's do it. You ready?
Yes.
You kind of have to.
How am I gonna do this?
Oh god. Okay, I'm just gonna pull one into one other bowl. Okay, here we go. Oh god, I can't get around the hands.
I'm twisting.
Okay, I think it's kind of working.
It's kind of. Dang it.
Except the pink is overwhelming the purple.
It's a little. I
Just kind of swirl it around there.
I'm trying to swirl it.
I think it's doing pretty well so far.
Yeah.
Look, if you look at the bottom of the bowl, it looks like a swirl.
This is mine.
Just
My swirl kind of became a fail.
I think yours look good. Okay, now let's mix them together. So kind of. You ready? Hold yours apart like this. Okay, let me get a big one. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Put your arm, kind of mix it together. Okay.
Let's
Just kind of like swirl it. Okay. So I think this is our end thing. What do you guys think? Do you think it was a fail or not? I think it looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
So let's look at this. I think this is pretty cool.
Yeah. I think we need to mix some more though. So make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what slimes you like.
Until next time, bye!